Oops, what happened here? Let us show you how our suitcase detector helps you to identify and react quickly to unattended luggage. Unattended luggage is a serious problem at airports, train stations, and other frequented areas. In order to minimize the impact on safety and costs, the security personnel has a strong interest in resolving such incidents immediately. Our software detects abandoned luggage by measuring the distances to their owners. A red rectangle visually notifies the operators about possible incidents. The alarm is resolved automatically once the suitcase is picked up again. As you can see, the software handles multiple persons and suitcases with ease. Even though the owner of the suitcase leaves towards the recording direction, the distance between the suitcase and his owner is measured correctly, and the alarm triggers as expected. But our app goes way beyond spotting abandoned luggage. A snapshot is automatically saved for every incident. This helps to quickly identify the owner of a suitcase. Our suitcase detector is independent of the background scene. It works even in difficult lighting conditions, both indoors and outdoors. Our software helps your security personnel to focus on critical scenes. Your staff then decides on the potential threat of the highlighted situation. This AI-assisted surveillance concept will greatly increase the safety also at your location. Let us now summarize your advantages. Our app helps you to associate accidentally lost luggage to their owners. On one hand, this increases your customers' satisfaction, as you can help them getting back their luggage quickly. On the other hand, you avoid evacuations and also interruptions of your business operations. We invite you to further develop the product with us. Feel free to contact us. And thanks for your attention.
Hi, in this video we want to introduce the dynamic privacy masks for security cameras. In our example, you see a typical scene of a security camera monitoring the public space in front of an office building. People are passing by on the walkway. Our app detects the pedestrians in the scene and generates masks that conceal their identity in order to protect their privacy. By applying deep neural networks, we are able to detect specific object entities in the scene. This approach is a huge improvement to conventional methods like background subtraction that cannot distinguish between different moving entities. Here in our example, moving cars in the background are not anonymized. Different mask settings can be applied. In the first example, we decrease the blurring intensity of the privacy mask. This lighter filter reveals more details, but still effectively guarantees a certain level of privacy. Nevertheless, blurring cannot provide complete privacy, which might be required in certain situations. Unique features like the shirt colors are still visible. To increase the privacy level, we set the mask appearance now to a fully opaque style. Our app works right out of the box, both indoors and outdoors. No parameters have to be tweaked. The camera can be relocated or even be moved around while recording without the need for reconfiguration. In our next example, we show the power of simultaneously masking multiple entities. First, we have selected in the settings view to anonymize only persons. As expected, we see that the persons in the scene get anonymized. However, in an office environment like this, there are also other entities like the laptop screens that we want to protect from being recorded by a security camera. This is the moment where the power of entity masking comes into play. Therefore, we go to the menu and additionally select Laptop. Now also the laptop screens are protected. Our software provides an interface that enables other programs to use the anonymized video stream. In the future, we will retrain the models on larger datasets for higher accuracy, add more object classes, and increase the stability of the privacy masks. We invite you to further develop the product with us. Feel free to contact us. Thanks for your attention.
Welcome to the future of recording feedback. Imagine you are a customer service manager at a company and you have to measure the satisfaction of your customers. However, in times of COVID-19, no one wants to use feedback buttons anymore. Our app helps you out by providing an hygienic and easy way of gathering feedback, which is also entertaining for your customers. All you need for this is a smart camera and a screen where users can see themselves. Showing thumbs up or down, our neural network reliably detects your customer's mood and gathers statistics you can analyze. A loading bar and a check mark inform the user about the recognized feedback. Detection works equally well indoors and outdoors with different light conditions. At any time you may analyze the recorded feedback using our statistics dashboard. Here you can filter the data by the time frame of interest. You may also export the raw data in CSV format. Visual feedback works perfectly with factory settings. However, you may adapt the settings to your personal needs. For example, you can change the time it takes to fill a progress bar. If the signal is temporarily lost, the progress bar halts. Once the hand pose is recognized again, the progress is resumed. Our neural network is trained with many hand poses, but only counts thumbs up, down, or neutral. The progress bar leaves the user enough time to cancel the process. This is useful to avoid the rare cases of false predictions. Our app easily records parallel feedback, which is shown by multiple of your customers at the same time. A smart training process enables us to steadily improve the existing model by only having to label data that is difficult for the latest model. This greatly reduces the time it takes to produce a better model. Also, the entire process is flexible enough in order to learn new additional hand gestures. Currently, the average mood of the detected gestures is used to determine the smileys of all heads, but in future we plan to associate hands to the corresponding heads. Even a continuous stream of people can be evaluated. This enables large-scale use cases such as people exiting trains, planes, cinemas, or retail stores. As you saw, visual feedback is hygienic, entertaining, easy to use, reliable, and perfectly fits into your customer-friendly organization. We invite you to further develop the product with us. Feel free to contact us, and thanks for your attention.
Do you know how many shoppers visit your store daily? How many just pass by without buying? Are you sure the right products are in the right places? Are you utilizing store space effectively? Does your marketing campaign have any effect on shoppers? Knowing every aspect of your store helps you maximize your profits. Retail Flux is a proven retail analytic technology using high-accuracy counters and utilizing in-store video to visualize your shopper behavior in real time. It can track any shopper in the scene and analyze their activities. It can sense how many shoppers passed from any point of the store, where they shopped, and how much time they spent. It's an X-ray device for your store. In order to visualize the gathered data, Retail Flux generates summaries and heat maps. This way, it can measure store traffic, which helps you staff your store effectively to serve all customers. Measure your hot and cold spots in the store and also the effectiveness of campaigns and store layout. The setup is easy and cost-effective because we can adapt to most standard monitoring systems. Retail Flux Cloud System automatically gathers data from different stores, so all the insights are highly available through Internet. Meanwhile, customer privacy is fully protected because all the in-store video stays in the store. Retail Flux is a useful tool to visualize and understand your shopper and store interactions.